Here's a quick thing about how to clean Jordans. I've been seeing all these crazy videos online. How to clean shit. Man, all you need is that shit. I like to use this just to clean like the leather or whatever. But for the middle part, brush, put some water, some of that Tide, scrub it down a little bit so you see the differences. Simple shit, man. And then when I usually leave a towel in there, wrap a towel around there, whatever. I'll put that there, put it on, keep the shoe away after I'm done and just dry it off a little bit. Fuck. There you go. Simple. Differences. Might rock them today.